What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Sheesh, that shit's buzzing. So I got everything loaded up. I'm gonna head over to my buddy's just because he's probably got a few tools that I need that I don't have. So yeah, I'm gonna go get all this done. Hopefully you guys can stay tuned for what's left of the video after. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day, but I'm definitely gonna be getting all this done. It's well needed, so stay tuned, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Alrighty, well, I've got the car up. I've got the old strut out. Pull that out. We're gonna use that. Got the new strut. We're gonna throw it back in, and hopefully, I'm hoping to God that my wobble is gone. I'm really praying. I'm really praying that it is. But yeah, I'm gonna try and set the camera up, get a little time lapse, and get this done. Alrighty, well, I've got it all wrapped up. The bushing on that thing, that other strut, is definitely blown. So I'm hoping that was my issue with the hop. I'm gonna toss the wheel back on and yeah, just go take it around the block, see if the wobble is still there. But crossing fingers that it's not. I'm just headed home right now. Everything feels solid. I'm stoked that I got everything done today. Got the new strut in, got the trans fluid done, got the oil change done. I didn't get my brakes done, get the the rear pads in, but I'm gonna get one of the wind back compressors and get that done here very soon. But yeah, overall, I'm hyped that I got everything done. Oh yeah, she feels solid now. Trans feels good. Yep. Yeah, I had the wrong oil in there, dude. I can't believe that, dude. Crazy. So I've just been cruising around for a while, making sure the car is like 100% solid and everything is a-okay. But yeah, honestly, I don't want to get into it a bunch, but if you guys got goals, make sure you guys push for them. But yeah, I'm happy as all could be with the car, and it's treated me very well, so I'm super stoked. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just I just, like I said, I never expected to be where I'm at and have this car where it's at. So like I said, if you guys are thinking that you can't do it or you'll never be able to have this or that, you can. You just got to push for it and make it happen. you know, be positive, always stay positive, and push towards your dreams and goals and whatnot. Because if some of you, you know, like that actually watch my videos, you guys know that I've been trying to do this stuff for a long time, and I started this out not really knowing what to do at all. I feel like, I mean, not to be like bragging about myself or anything like that, but I feel like I've gotten a lot better with the videos, and I'm hyped to, you know, put more out there and create some content for these cars, because not a lot of people have content for these cars at all. So yeah, today was big maintenance day. Tomorrow, probably not gonna come out with another video. I gotta edit up this one and whatnot, but yeah, I'm on my way home right now, so probably gonna end it here in a little bit, but I might grab a couple little rips for you guys. Bro, money shifts, I'm telling you. This weighted knob, I just put like the right gear oil in my car. I've had the wrong gear oil in my car, bro. Screw Volkswagen kind of for doing that to me, dude. They sold me that gear oil when I went there and, like, you know, told them, hey, I have this car, this transmission, blah blah blah. They gave me 3 bottles of gear oil, and it's been in my car, and it's been the wrong gear oil for the longest time. So I'm glad I got the right gear oil in there. So yeah, that's kind of what I was saying earlier. But if you guys can hear that like little rattle, that's my like air tank back there. I'm gonna tighten that up tomorrow. I'm not gonna make a video about it, but I'm probably just gonna tidy everything up and make sure everything's 100%. And yeah, but I don't know if you guys have noticed, the car got like way louder. That's because when I deleted the rear seat, you can literally like feel the car and hear the car like right there, like back in the back seat, like it's insanely loud. It, like, when I'm just cruising, it's not too loud, but yeah, I don't know. Let's grab a couple rips and I'll probably head home and end the video off properly. So some little baby pulls. I know it's not super fast. I don't know. I'm not like, it's literally not crazy fast. I can't wait to dyno it though, here soon. I'm gonna try and do that, but little hundo for the boys. The handle's like a go-kart too now. I love it. I think I'm honestly gonna hit up Raceland, because I believe the other strut is it's not blown, but the bushing is definitely, you know, blown. It looks to be blown. It's cracked up like the other one, and then I'm pretty sure the other one is also bent in some sort of way as well. But yeah. She gets sketchy, bro. I'm telling you. Oh, I love this thing, dude. I seriously, I can't wait to do a little bit more to it. I'm probably gonna get intercooler here soon, upgrade the turbo to like a brand new turbo, because this one's used. If you guys have, you know, watched my videos, you know that I got this off a used motor, and I want to get an actual brand new turbo in there. So, oh yeah, also my front lip should be here very soon, I'm hoping. It's gotta clear customs, I believe. But yeah, I believe that is it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, that is gonna wrap up this video. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in, and again, always make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm stoked that I got everything done. I'm gonna get those rear pads in as soon as possible. But again, I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.